Good morning, everybody. What's going on? So we're off to the auction, Oklahoma Auto Exchange, to be exact. About to see what they got going on at the auction today. Hopefully the prices are back down the usual. Try to get some good footage on some cars, that I haven't seen before, or that I haven't posted yet, or just try to see if something's out there that just catches my eye that that's usually not at the auction. So, and then we'll just get some prices on regular cars, like I always do. I always try to get a cheap car just to see, kind of gauge the market. Cheap cars going more expensive, then it's just crazy. But yeah, let's get to it and see what happens. See what the auction got for us today. Let's go. At the auction, all these people here, we got here a little early, so that's what you always do. You get there a little early, make sure you check out the vehicles. Let's go in here in the back. Let's walk back here. Let me go get my bidder number first, then I'll walk to the back. So let's get to it. I'm walking around, see what they got today. Little cobalt, hail damage as usual, typical in Oklahoma. Look like it might be a pretty good sale today. I don't know. Yeah. Missing cars right there, so they try to spread them out to make it look like they okay. This truck probably go expensive. Gonna record that and see how much this truck go for. Got the little beat up Taurus. Probably see if we can record that, and when it comes through, see what that brings. Let's see what else we got out here. Nothing fancy, just just the regular everyday type of cars today. Lance, what you got to tell the people today?
Bad day in the car business.
Bad day in the car business? Why is that?
Ain't no cars to choose from.
It look like it's a little bit.
You looked around, you seen it ain't too much out there.
Nah, it ain't too much. It's never a lot when they never send the number of cars, how much on the text message. Like, we'll see you at 9 o'clock.
Usually they have 500, 600, 700 on the text message. They just said we got cars.
We got cars. We'll see you at 9 o'clock. Come get some breakfast. Yeah.
I'll talk with you a little bit.
Oh,
man, we got a bunch of y'all, but we weren't about 9:45. You better check it out.
Okay, I mean, I didn't want to put you on there unless you want. What?
No, don't take a picture of me with that motherfucker. Shit, hell no. Hey, I'm for the Japanese white boys. When I get up on the block, my car's running, I'm gonna do like this. So I'm gonna see if my cars bring more money.
Oh.
Yo, I know damn truck supporter. Hell no.
Yeah.
Hey, I got this from Mike.
Yeah.
He gave this to me about 4 or 5 months ago. Mike was auction.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't shit. I'm paying cheap, baby. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of people. What is the big catch about it? You tying my money up.
Oh man, that dude cracks me up. He been in the car business 40 years. Talking about somebody gave him a head. Talking about he gonna put it on to see if his car bring more money. Hey, hilarious. Yeah, it ain't really that much today. Nope, not really that much that I see. What? Tow truck on the way, maybe 1 hour. So they towed this one in. Well, let's get inside the auction and see what they bring. See, get ready. Let me go grab some breakfast.
Yeah, 8 grand, 100. 8 down, no, 6 grand more. 62, 4, 5, 65, 600, 600, 7,600, now 75, here, now 7,700, yeah, 7, now 7,700, now 7, now 7, 7,600, 76,
GMC Yukon rebuilt title, 111,000 miles, sold for $7,600. I think that's a little high for having a rebuilt title, because the rebuilt title is going to affect the value of the car some. So I think it was a little on the high end, but you know, I don't know. I don't really looking at GMC Yukon. That 2010 Hyundai Genesis two-door little coupe with 130 on the mile, 2010, sold for $4,000. So let me know what y'all think about those two deals, and let's go in here and try to get a couple more cars for you guys. And then tomorrow, like I said, you know, tomorrow we'll be doing going over the auction lights. So let's go. Let's continue to get to it. Two little Chevys go for 04 Malibu Max. I don't want to pay that much if it need a transmission. I'll let somebody else pay for it. It's an 04 Malibu Max that need a transmission. Look good though. So we'll record that, see what it brings, needs a transmission. And 07 Cobalt, 144,000 miles. See, that's the good thing about talking to the people that with the auction. They'll let you know what's going on with the car. You know, so this one transmission barely want to go and drive. Let's see what it goes for.
83.99, 83.99, 83.99. 80 about 80. Let's draw again then. How about?
Huh? What are you doing? I'll just record.
83.98.
Did you know that's
83.98.
No, I didn't.
You know why? Steelers only. They don't want everybody seeing them.
Thanks for that.
Some of them, this year I don't think they care.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Hey, started with Hugh Burton, all these be a late title. Number 26 is going to be the first one in. It's a little Chevy car. Down here, number 26 is in. We're going to sell them all. They're all late time, but we're going to sell them all. It's a Hugh Burton time. The Empire House. Yes, sir. I'll take $1,000. The Empire. What's that number?
Speak my
112?
number 22.
Here's number 3910. Y'all like here.
Malibu Max sold for $900. Needs a transmission, so $900 plus the bar fee, so you got about $1,080. Then you gotta buy a transmission and get that replaced, no matter how much that's gonna cost you. The 07 Cobalt behind it just needed probably a battery or alternator for all $1,200. 07 Cobalt 2-door, $1,200, not too bad of a deal. I mean, you can still clean that one up, sell it for like $2 grand, $2,500. You can probably sell it for $2,500 no problem. You know, once you clean it up, put some hubcaps on it, so that wasn't too bad of a deal. But the Malibu for $900 plus the buyer's fee, nah, I don't think that was too good of a deal. But let's get back to it. So, auction's just about over. Get off of this. Auction is just about over. You know, it's down to the last, 2 lanes. So, I mean, it's probably got another 10. Can't fit on this truck, so probably got another about 10 to 15 minutes left in this auction. They didn't have that many cars. You know, usually the auction ends about 12:30, maybe 1 o'clock, but didn't have that many cars this week. I didn't end up getting anything today, but I'm not complaining. You know, I had a good week. What? The keys. What, you about ready to go?
It's up to you.
I don't know. They don't look like they really have anything else. Look like they're about done. Yeah, so, you know, end of the sale basically. Had a good week last week. Still got a lot of cars in lot, so not really too upset that I didn't get anything today. What happens is, see, that's the thing, like when it's not a lot of cars, that takes down your opportunity to buy more cars, and also that makes the prices of cars more expensive, because it'll start, it's 4 lanes. It starts off at 2, then it opens up to 4, and then those 2 lanes, they run like they run like the smaller lots cars, so those run through very quickly, and so then it kicks back to only down to 2 lanes. So then, you know, when it's only 2 lanes, it's people not spread out, so, you know, so people, you don't, so it's not like, let me try to explain it. So it's not so spread out, so everybody's so congested, so everybody can see the same car, and so that's why the prices, it get into a bidding war, the prices will go up. But been a rough day, didn't get anything, and then look at that, towed my shoe up. Towed my shoe up. So now I gotta throw these shoes away. It's split like right there, like I came. I don't know, I caught it on something. And as you can see, it's split right there. So these shoes are no longer, you know. They're my favorite little everyday pair of shoes, but didn't get any cars. Towed my shoe up. Happens. Life of a car dealer. But appreciate you guys for tuning in. Drop your comments. We'll be doing the auction videos about explaining the auction lights a little bit more in depth tomorrow, because I know people have been asking about that. So like this video, drop a comment, share this video if you can. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.